Picture this. Your pasta is cooked to perfection. You've placed it in the serving bowl, and then guess what? You pour 3 raw egg yolks on top? Carbonara, baby, carbonara. Carbonara is associated with Roman cuisine. They often enjoy it for breakfast. Don't add cream though, that's considered sacrilege. I've cut up some delicious pre-cooked pork belly. Pork cheeks are considered the ultimate, but they were not available. But pork belly is a good close second alternative. I've browned the pork belly. No oil is necessary because it has a natural delicious fat. The pasta I'm using today is fettuccine. I'm going to put aside some of the pasta water because we're going to need that for the final sauce. If you love pork like I do and you've never tried pork cheeks or pork belly, you're in for a serious treat. We're going to take the pasta and we're going to place it in the skillet with the browned pork belly. We're going to pour in some of the pasta water, give that a stir. We're going to add a generous amount of pecorino cheese. No other cheese is appropriate. It has to be pecorino in order to be authentic. We don't need salt because I salted the pasta water, plus the cheese is salty and so is the pork belly. Let this thicken for a moment and then pour everything into the serving bowl and then add your 3 egg yolks, no whites. Stir it in very gently so you don't get scrambled eggs. The heat from the pasta will cook the yolks. Now I have added some whole peppercorns to give it a little bite and crunch. There you go, absolutely delicious. Unbelievable.